Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing the Three Little Pigs Ultimate Stationery Box from Hubman and Chubgirl. So if you saw my haul video, you know that I was talking about the subscription and what comes in it, and this is a complete ultimate subscription stationery box. So I thought this would give you a really good idea of how it all works. So this month's theme is the Three Little Pigs. And I'll be honest in saying that when I first saw this theme or heard about it, I was kind of like, not my jam. But once you open it up, it is so freaking cute. So you get your collector's box, which is really cute and beautiful. And then when you open it up, what I love is that the inside of the box is themed as well. And you always get a different wrapping paper color that you can use in your journal or planner, which I love. So then you open this up, and I haven't really gone through this yet. So this is my first impression. I've kind of peeked at it, but I haven't really gone through it. So this is the ultimate subscription. So what you get in it is your limited edition enamel pin. You get your matching washies, which I'll unwrap and show you in a sec. You get your 5 limited edition vinyl die cut stickers. You get the Hobonichi Cousin Kit monthly and weekly. You get the variety pack, and I'll unbox all of these. You get the 6-piece planner kit, and then you get this pocket with all of your stickers. So you get your planner stickers, which have your monthly headers, more monthly headers, your days, your date dots with the cute little headers, more date dots. And then you get your planner stickers, which are so cute, these little houses blowing over. Like, if I was to think about the Three Little Pigs, I kind of was like, meh, but the way that she does them is just so cute. These little trees, so you can make a scene. So cute. And then on the other side, you get your additional 2 die cuts. You get the pig and the wolf. You get your sticker sheets. So this is 3 little piggies, 3 little houses. You get like little bricks and logs, and super cute. And then you get your Huff and Puff. I love these little Huff Puff. They're so cute. And then you get your message on the back and your journaling card, which I love this. This is so handy when you're journaling. And then I think this is a mini sticker book. This is my first one of these. I'm pretty excited about it. So if you have leftover stickers from your subscription, and you don't want to store like one giant sheet, you can put them on the sticker book, which I think is super cute. And it's the same or very similar to the journaling card, but it doesn't have the wolf in the back, and the trees are a little bit different. There's the wolfie. So that's everything you get in the kit. Let me unwrap all of this, and then we'll go through it. Okay, so we've got the die cuts. So you've got a little piggy with a rake, one with an axe, one with a shovel, this giant house, which I love, and then you've got the wolf. Super cute. And then we've got the Hobonichi Cousin Kit in monthly, and I don't have a Hobonichi, but these are amazing for Erin Condren dashboard if you use that, or just Erin Condren vertical. The boxes aren't as wide, but it's really good. And also in your bullet journal. Look at this. This is so cute. I love these so much, but even this washi, like the details, like the things that they're holding, it's so cute. She does such an amazing job. And the quality of everything, they're on vinyl stickers. You've got your boxes. Like, look at this. That's so stinking cute. And like, Three Little Pigs does not interest me at all. But this when you see it in person, like it's cute. So that's the Hobonichi kit. This is the planner kit. So you got your full boxes, and these fit your Happy Planner and your Erin Condren. Not as long as the boxes, but the boxes themselves are 1.5 inches. You've got your boxes, some more boxes, and cute washi. Like, look at those little clouds. And then Huff, Puff, love that on the bills. You've got your little tabs for your monthly, your date dots, to-do list, weekends, and some extra days, which I love. And then all your days. So that's that. And there's the enamel pin a little bit closer without the wrapping. So cute. And then you've got your variety sticker pack. So these have different finishes on them. So this is like a die cut, a huge one. I might use this on my cover page. That is so cute. You've also got this, which isn't a journaling card, but you could use these in your planner as well. Then you've got these sparkly stickers, the little stamps, which are freaking adorable, and they are foiled as well. You've got washi stickers. I love this little scene. These are like almost like little Polaroids, but not, and they're foiled as well. I love this. She had one of these in Sweetstown, this type of thing. So cute. And then you've got your little piggy emotions, and these are on like a vinyl sticker. Then we've got the washi lastly. So they are both just paper washies. They don't have any sparkle to them. And that is the washi there. So that's about how big it is. There's no foil, no sparkle. Really good quality washi though. And then this one is the pig and the wolf. Head, just repeating. So cute. So that is the ultimate subscription box, and I am really enjoying it. So far, this is my 3rd month getting it, and the value I think is really amazing. I love that you get these pockets. They say Hubman and Chubgirl on them. I have a whole bunch of these, and just overall, these boxes are so worth it. You can get months and months and months, sorry, weeks and weeks and weeks. I've done so many spreads with my other 2, and I still have so much left over of both of them. So hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you soon. Bye.